Hello, I'm Mike Matray, and I'm the host of Healthcare Matters, where the legal and medical fields come together to discuss healthcare matters. Today's guest is Tad Devlin. He is a partner at KAUFMAN, DOLOWICH, VOLUCK. Welcome to Healthcare Matters.
Thanks, Mike. Pleasure to be here with you.
One of the legal arguments being advanced in regard to medical malpractice and the Affordable Care Act centers on the collateral source rule and whether a defendant physician could, instead of paying for a lifetime of medical care for an injured patient, he or she could pay for health care insurance for the plaintiff through the healthcare exchange because pre-existing conditions are no longer a cause for denial of coverage. Can you comment on that?
This seems like it could be an end around or a way to couple up with the collateral source rule, depending upon which side of the fence you're on. I know out here in California, the micro cap is a big deal, which limits the damages to $250,000 cap, which some folks say has really left a lot of claims not unpursued, if you will. And I think with the Affordable Care Act and future life care plans are really what could be targeted by this, because a lot of times in TBI and total brain injury cases or serious bodily injury cases, it's really the life care plan and the projections outward that are what drive the case and what drives the plaintiff's attorney to really go after the insurance company's money and then excess insurers. So here, if we can have and there's a lot of debate about the value of the life care plan. But if you've got the Affordable Care Act, which could make moot or neutralize some of those costs to double up with the collateral source rule that the plaintiff's not going to get a double recovery, then I think you could see a big ratcheting back of experts who'd be willing to opine for the plaintiff's lawyers that this life care plan is going to be $10, $20, $30 million.
Well, thank you, Tad, for joining us on Healthcare Matters, where the medical and legal communities come together to discuss healthcare matters. I hope to talk to you again soon.
Great. Thanks a lot, Mike.
HIPAA data breaches are emerging as one of the largest systemic risks a hospital or a large group faces in the modern healthcare delivery system. What risk management advice would you give physician clients for maintaining HIPAA confidentiality within their EMR system?